Hello my dear students, how are you bete? Today I am going to revise the video lectures of chapter motion. And you know that this chapter is a part of your unit test 1 syllabus of science. Okay. And 10 objective based question will come from physics part, 10 from chemistry and 10 from bio. And all the questions are of objective based questions, and in this video I will study all the questions that may come in objective based questions from this chapter, that is motions. Okay, so let's start these chapters. I'm just going to quick revise these chapters, so I will also follow the questions that generally asked in objective based part. Okay, so let's start. So first part is type of motion. In case of type of motion, you have three type of motions: linear motion, circular motion and vibratory motions. Okay, in linear motion object move in straight line. Okay, and in case of circular motion or rotational motion, the body moves in circular path around a fixed point. There is few examples of linear motion and few examples of circular motions, as you know. Let's start next. Okay. In the next part, you have a vibratory motions when the object move to and fro motions. Okay, and you have some examples like motions of pendulum of wall clock, motion of child swinging in a swing, and motion of a simple pendulum. The question may be asked to you that simple pendulum motion of a bob represents vibratory motion, circular motion or linear motions. Okay, then the right answer is vibratory motions, like this type questions. Okay, next is describing motions, and you know that you have studied about what is the displacement and what is the distance and displacement. In this part you have to do its a difference part, this part only. You need not to go thoroughly of this part, distance and displacement. Okay, the question may be asked that distance is a scalar quantity, vector quantity, or maybe another, it may be none of these. Okay, in such a case you have to start that distance is a scalar quantity and the displacement is a vector quantity. So understand this definition and these 4 point of displacement and 4 point of distance. Okay bete, so let's start next. So bete, these numericals will not come to you, as the question paper consists only 10 questions, of objective based question. So these numerical will not come to you. Okay, so let's start next part. Next part you have a type of motions, like what is the speed, okay, and what is the types of speed, that is uniform speed, non-uniform speed. Okay, and you have to understand that is what is the speed and the velocity. स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी का जो डिफरेंस वाला पार्ट है वो भी आपने अच्छे से याद करना है, इसके 4 पार्ट्स करेंगे. And you also know that speed is a scalar quantity. Okay, and it have only magnitude and no directions. Also the speed has unit of meter per second. Okay, and light travel with constant speed in a medium. The value of constant speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to power 18 meter per second. These are the main parts of speed that you have to remember. And now it is clear, SI unit of speed is meter per second. Okay, ये definitions भी it may some questions come from this part also. Next one is this part. You can see that here also. Remember this point. So remember this point part. Object or body will have uniform motion if it's move along a straight line in one direction. Okay, and travels equal distance in equal interval of time. Second, uniform motion distance traveled by moving object is directly proportional to the time taken. ये भी क्वेश्चन अक्सर एग्जाम में पूछ लेते बेटे. For uniform motions, when we said the motion is uniform, motion is uniform only when distance traveled by moving object is directly proportional to time. ठीक है, जितना डिस्टेंस होगा उतना ही टाइम होगा, देन मोशन कैसा होगा, वो यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. इफ डिस्टेंस इज नॉट प्रोपोर्शनल टू द टाइम, सच मोशन इज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशंस. Okay, in non-uniform motion, distance traveled by object is not proportional to the time taken. Okay, so let's start. Next, it's a very important part. That is, what is the velocity? एक और part था बेटे, definitions of average speed and instantaneous speed. You know what is mean by instantaneous speed? Instantaneous speed of the object is at any instant during its motions. During its motion at any instant, the speed of the vehicle is called as instantaneous speed. And the device which is used to measure the instantaneous speed is called speedometer. Okay, जिस डिवाइस से हम करंट स्पीड ऑफ द व्हीकल को मेजर करते हैं, दैट डिवाइस इज नॉन एज स्पीडोमीटर्स. ओके बेटे, सो स्पीडोमीटर मेजर द इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड ऑफ ए व्हीकल्स. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. इसको नोट करते जाइए बेटे. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज वेलोसिटी. अगेन, व्हाट इज वेलोसिटी, टाइप ऑफ वेलोसिटी एंड इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. वेलोसिटी इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी बिकॉज इट हैज मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज डायरेक्शंस. एंड यू नो, डेफिनेशन तो इसकी नहीं आएगी, बट इसकी एसआई यूनिट इज ऑल्सो सेम एज दैट ऑफ स्पीड, दैट इज मीटर पर सेकेंड. Next one is the type of velocity. Means uniform velocity, uniform velocity or constant velocity. When the object have same velocity, or we call it is a uniform velocity, when it cover equal displacement in equal interval of time. In non-uniform motion, it cover unequal displacement in unequal interval of time. Okay. Average velocity, you know very well. And next one is the let's see, the next part. You have to remember that it's very important for difference. The difference is that speed is always positive. Velocity may be a positive or may be a negative, but velocity is also a vector quantity. Speed is scalar quantity. Okay. Speed tells how fast object moves, and average speed of moving object cannot be zero. Average speed zero नहीं हो सकती, ठीक है. But in this case, average velocity of the moving object can be zero. Okay. Average speed is always क्या होती है, greater than and equal to the magnitude of average velocity. ठीक है, ये बात भी आपने याद रखिए. This question may be asked to you. Okay, and next, there are some numerical based on speed, velocity and average velocity. You need not to do these questions, okay, because test is of objective based. Okay, so these questions you need not to do it. Next part is acceleration. What is acceleration? It is the when the object rate of change of velocity of the object with respect to time. Okay, change in velocity upon time is called acceleration. And what is the SI unit of acceleration? SI unit of acceleration is meter second inverse square. Okay, and okay, so let's start next part, that is the positive acceleration mean when the object speeding up. जब object का speed increase हो with respect to time, तो we call it as a positive acceleration and we take it as a positive. A negative acceleration when the vehicle's velocity decrease with respect to time. In such case, acceleration is taken as negative. Okay. Again, there is no need to do numericals related with accelerations. Okay. So let's start solving some questions related with the graphical representation of motion. This is very important part. So, but some question will also come from diagram part. because diagram part is very important in this chapter motions. अब देखिए डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ फॉर स्टेशनरी बॉडी का कैसा होगा, लाइक दिस. द उसका जो डिस्टेंस होगा विल नॉट चेंज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. 0 पे भी 4, 1 सेकेंड पर भी 4, 2 सेकेंड पर भी 4, और जैसे जैसे टाइम इंक्रीज होगा द ऑब्जेक्ट पोजिशन इज सेम, इट डजेंट चेंज. सो ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट स्टेशनरी. ठीक है. सो टाइम डिस्टेंस, जो टाइम डिस्टेंस और टाइम का ग्राफ होगा फॉर स्टेशनरी बॉडी विल बी लाइक दिस. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज फॉर यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. व्हेन द डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ यूनिफॉर्म मोशन में कैसा होगा, स्ट्रेट लाइन. द ग्राफ कैसा होगा बेटे, स्ट्रेट लाइन. द स्लोप, ये स्लोप आपको क्या देगी, डिस्टेंस और टाइम के ग्राफ में स्लोप आपको देती है वेलोसिटी. ओके. डिस्टेंस ओवर टाइम के ग्राफ में स्लोप आपको क्या देगा, वेलोसिटी. ओके. नेक्स्ट ग्राफ इज व्हेन द ग्राफ इज नॉट स्ट्रेट लाइन. अगर स्ट्रेट लाइन ना हो, it have small curved line, then such graph is called in distance time graph is called non-uniform motions. Okay. In such motion the object is graph is not straight line, it's curved line. कैसा होगा ग्राफ, curved line क्या जैसा. Okay. You can remember this one points. Some more questions. You can see that here we have questions velocity time graph. अब देखिए बेटे velocity और time graph आप में क्या देता है, when the velocity time graph for constant velocity, when the object moving with constant velocity, it means that object has same velocity. Whenever the time is 1 second, velocity is 5 meter per second. After 2 seconds the velocity is same again, the 5 meter per second. Okay. So this one graph represents a constant velocity. Okay. And my question is that in velocity and time graph, velocity and time graph में आप क्या measure करते हो, like this one graph. Okay. In velocity and time graph, the shaded area or this graph line will represent the acceleration. Slope will give you the value of acceleration and shaded area will give you the value of displacement. Okay. So you can see here. Okay. अब देखिए बेटे distance traveled by body is equal to area under speed time graph. This is also very important questions. तो जो भी आपके पास कौन सी क्वांटिटी देती है, स्पीड टाइम, एरिया अंडर स्पीड टाइम ग्राफ आपको क्या देगा, डिस्टेंस. याद रखिए एरिया अंडर स्पीड टाइम ग्राफ विल गिव यू द वैल्यू ऑफ डिस्टेंस. ओके. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. ओके. यू हैव हियर सम केस ऑफ decelerating object when the object is applying brake and have maximum velocity of 10 meter per second, and such type of motion is called as retarding motions. And whenever the speed is increased with respect to time, such motion is known as accelerating motions. Okay. Next is very important part, that is equation of motions. So bete what are the equations of motion? v is equal to u plus at. इसको रिमेंबर कीजिए, याद कीजिए. ठीक है. Make you will get a question related with the equation of motions. So v is equal to u plus at and s, which represent distance, is equal to ut plus half at square, and v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So these three equation represents the equation of motions. ठीक है. तो आपने इसको ड्राइव नहीं करनी, बिकॉज द क्वेश्चंस विल कम ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव बेस्ड. मे बी ए रॉन्ग इक्वेशन गिवन टू यू, एंड इफ यू नो द राइट इक्वेशंस देन इट इज वेरी सिंपल फॉर यू टू चूज द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज द सम न्यूमेरिकल्स related with the velocity. You need not to do these questions. And the last portion is circular motions. बेटे remember in circular motions, okay, what happened? Circular motions, the speed of the vehicle is remain same. ठीक है, स्पीड क्या रहती है? कांस्टेंट स्पीड in uniform circular motion. But what change always? Its direction. In case of circular motion, its direction mean velocity changes at every point, so that we call it is accelerating motions. Okay, so याद रखिए, velocity changes but the speed is remain constant in case of circular motions of the object. Okay. And the last part is linear motions and circular motions. You can learn these questions. Okay. And yes, so this is the important part. That is, uniform circular motion is known as accelerating motion. Why it is acceleration? Because डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोशन चेंजेस कंटिन्यूसली. उसकी क्या चेंज होती है? डायरेक्शन चेंज होती है. दैट इज वाई डायरेक्शन चेंज होगी तो वेलोसिटी विल चेंज. इफ वेलोसिटी चेंज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम वी कॉल इट इज एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन. इवन द ऑब्जेक्ट हैव कांस्टेंट स्पीड. ओके, सो इन केस ऑफ सर्कुलर मोशन the speed is remain constant but its direction changes. That's why we call it is accelerating motions, because its velocity changes. ये आप पॉइंट पढ़ लेना. लीनियर मोशंस में बॉडी मूव इन स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड इन सर्कुलर मोशंस बॉडी मूव इन सर्कुलर पाथ. Okay, so in the last part I am now sending you some important questions. Okay, तो बेटे एनसीईआरटी के जो क्वेश्चंस है ना, वो भी आप जो स्मॉल्स होंगे, छोटे क्वेश्चंस, उनको आप ट्राई कर लेना. जैसे वो ग्राफ वाले क्वेश्चंस हो गए, कुछ और इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशन वाले क्वेश्चंस हो गए, सम ऑब्जेक्टिव बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, सम वेरी शॉर्ट. yes, this a very short questions I am going to send you in PDF format. You need to revise these all questions. Okay, and total 10 questions you will get in case of objective based. And I hope you will all perform a very good unit test 1. Okay, so these are all questions I am sending you in PDF format. So bete all students prepare it very well, and thank you for this video, for watching this video, and work hard to score better. Thank you.